Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change equalizer preset for the headphones Sony LinkBuds. You have to start by open the application. Now click on the button at the equalizer line. Right now I have off, I haven't any presets here, but if you have some presets, so click on here, on the middle. And now choose the best one for you. Let's say bass boost, it's okay for me, so I click here. And then close. And you have another option, is to click on equalizer, right here, then scroll it. And right here you can choose what exactly changing here in these presets. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.